मैंने उसको बताया मैं ड्रामा सीरियल करने जा रहा हूँ. She's like, तुम पागल तो नहीं हो गया? अच्छा भला तुम्हारा करियर जा रहा है तो क्या तुम्हें तकलीफ क्या है? क्या मसला मतलब सिंगिंग करियर ठीक जा रहा है क्यों गवाना? But then she provoked me and I told her शर्त लगती है. तो आज you know Sarah, I'm right here. I'm getting this award. आइंदा मेरे साथ कोई शर्त नहीं लगानी, ठीक है? ठीक है. Also, I'd like to thank Hum TV. I'd like to thank my fans from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Bhutan. Thank you very much for making this serial very popular. Not to forget, love you too. Not to forget, Mustafa Afridi Saab, the writer of the play. Yeah, a big round of applause for Mustafa Afridi. Not to forget, Saiful Hassan Saab, thank you very much for directing the play. Thank you very much. And also, not to forget the crew and the cast of the whole film. Film कितनी मैंने की पहले? मैंने तो एक ही फिल्म की है. तो मैं अच्छा ठीक है, थोड़ा सा फंबल हो गया था, कोई बात नहीं. हो जाता है यार, स्टेज पे आके कभी कभार हो जाता. But yeah, so yeah, I'd like to thank everyone who has been a part of the cast and the whole crew. This is a big moment for me and for my family as well. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your existence. I really appreciate your presence in my life, in my music, in my career. Love you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, presenters, and congratulations. आतिफ से भी सफल हो जाता है. उनको भी बैकग्राउंड में रखते ना जरा. Yeah, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Atif Aslam.
Oh man, what a moment. Is it? Emma, you were telling me